Hello YouTube viewers, my name is Rafi from Executive Clock Gallery, and I'm working on this Seth Thomas right here. Here we are. This one I just overhauled. I just wanted to share with you guys how it looks like after it's been fully disassembled and cleaned and put back together. I also replaced this crystal. So this is the case. It's a tambour, and this is a 7/16 crystal. So I'm testing it and adjusting it on my Parker movement holder. And once it's all finished, I'll case it up and I will make another video of it, how it sounds after it's fully finished. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.